How did he enter the factory premises and take that 3 crores that was in the factory premises? Ishte IO has to answer this. Police can enter anywhere and take anything. See, you have conducted a search in a factory premises without FIR. Permission is not taken. NCR is non-cognizable report is registered. How did you touch that 3 crores of a citizen? How did you do it? This is exactly why I'm telling. Police and Takshana, you can't do anything.
Also directed the money to be deposited to the bank to save my.
Oh, that's
the matter.
Yes,
So
yes.
in that my lord, here's the amount it is gone to the bank.
Not
That has been-
repeat to you.
No, not repeat to me. But my lord says, notice that the state has to
Whatever.
file its objections. That's what my lord's noticed.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ
ಇನ್ನು 11,000 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ 11,000 ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
First of all, who is the investigating officer?
Right.
You got the smell of money, is it? How did you intercept these people and take money? How was it done? Fragrance is ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Register in NCR. They say unknown person.
No, I have written, the investigating officer will be taken care of ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. How did the investigating officer do all this? Who is the IO?
Present my lord, NCR was registered.
See, this man is the IO. ಯಾಕೆ 3 crores ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು?
He was not carrying with any document. If he has shown document,
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಜಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ
no, that's not.
ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ.
No, it was in that factory premises, my lord. Bank was
Where
close
is-
friends.
even-
Factory
No,
premises.
how did he
Registered
enter
NCR.
that premises and take that money?
ಅಲ್ಲ, even till today, my lord, they have not shown the source of income, source of the sum.
First, how did they
ನಾನೇ
register the
entry
NCR?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, we have deposit. my lord.
How did he enter the factory premises and take that 3 crores that was in the factory premises? Ishte IO has to answer this. Police can enter anywhere and take anything.
Information.
And under
What
90, my lords.
information? ಏನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗೆ?
NCR has been registered.
NCR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಹೋಗಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು because of
My lords.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ? See, you have conducted a search in a factory premises without FIR. Permission is not taken. NCR is non-cognizable report is registered. How did you touch that 3 crores of a citizen? How did you do it? This is exactly why I'm telling. Police and Takshana, you can't do anything. You are also bound by, you of course, supposed to be law keepers.
We're supposed to.
But you are opposed to be.
No.
NCR registered for 98 of the Karnataka Police Act.
ಅದೇ,
If I am not
explanation
able to
ಮಾಡ್-
explain,
See, 98 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
I should be in a position to explain.
I believe the search was conducted after registration.
Yeah,
No, 98 is sufficiently can't explain ಅಂತ. Explanation ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ how did you take it away? ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Without asking, NCR registered.
ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 crores ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
And my lords,
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು
ಅದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ತನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ
ಅದೇ.
ಕಳ್ತನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಬಂಡ್ಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಾನೆ.
my lords,
ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೂ ತಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿರೋ
just look at the sequence, my lords. Registering of NCR for 98, for which they should ask me whether I have any.
ಹೌದು.
Then my lords,
Explanation.
Then what they do is policeman himself goes to the magistrate in his house office and then gets an order saying conduct raid. On that basis,
ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ FIR ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? He is also.
ಸರ್ಚ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Normally search warrant.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾವಾಗ?
In non-cognizable offense also when we registered, we do take search warrant on that.
That is only in 98 when nobody explains.
But the fact remains, not huge amount of cash.
He has explained. I have quoted in my order
And it
how
has
he has
gone to
explained
the
ಅಂತ.
bank.
After all the,
After ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ only after all this incident is.
Yeah, but first NCR for 98, how did they register? Did they ask me to explain?
No, the moment.
First
How,
explain
without
that.
asking
No, no,
me.
we
Anyway,
can-
we'll
It is
answer.
not a.
So
It is not
NCR
a.
get registered.
We'll answer. Now that bank ಹೋಗಿದೆ ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಈಗ ಅದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ my lord, bank ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I wrote not a rupee should go to him but to the bank in his account.
And very interestingly, 10 days later, my lord's reporting to the magistrate, twice
ಅದು
notice
ಬೇರೆ.
to me.
Yeah,
I go
ಒಂದ್
there.
ನಿಮಿಷ, one minute sir. 10 ದಿನ 3 ಕೋಟಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ?
No, e-Saksha, on e-Saksha, everything is done on the same day, my lord. It is
ಅಲ್ಲ,
not
ವೈ
10 days.
ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ 12 ಡೇಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
On 12th. Before that, two notices to me, my lords,
No,
negotiations.
it's not 10 days, my lord, it's not.
12th.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೀಜರ್ 12th ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಐ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
I'll
10 days ಲೇಟರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 10 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ?
2 days, my lord, because the CM duty or something was there.
ಓ,
So it's 2 days.
CM ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ?
The Mazar, my lord, e-Saksha has been, it is not that they
But
manipulated.
reporting to the magistrate is most important.
Lot to be said. Will answer. Shanto Varghese follow ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
Literally now, we have investigated, my lord, to whatever extent.
How can they investigate?
No, how can we reject?
No,
How can they
Cash was found.
How can they investigate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
NCR ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ, my lord?
Cash was
ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್
found.
ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
NCR 98, how did they register?
NCR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ರೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಇವರು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೇಲಿಟ್ರ?
We've informed the court, my lord, it is not.
ನೋ ಸರ್, 12 ಡೇಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ.
Yeah,
ಆ
family.
10 days 3 crores ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು?
No, it was
ವೇರ್?
Police station.
station, but it was, we informed.
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಿಮಿಸಸ್ ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಯಾರು
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್.
ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು 3 ಕೋಟಿ ಕದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಕಳೆದ ಹುಡುಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಸೇಫ್. ಬಹಳ
Bala
ಸಂತೋಷ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
One, now there is no other claimants. We have informed to the, given information to income tax department.
ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ has given them a clean sheet. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
That they may have done. We have informed it, my lord. We have followed our duty.
Hmm.
Now we'll close the
No, my lord,
complaint.
not a case for closure so easily. Not a case for
Then if
closure.
they don't want to close us, then we'll
ಅಲ್ಲ,
file.
no,
Let
no,
them file their
I don't want to
objection.
close it just like that.
Let them
ಅವರಲ್ಲ.
find what happened.
I will
how
not
it
close
is
it
done.
just like that. Yes.
Then we'll file our.
ಹಾಕಿ sir. List the matter on 27th. Yes, in fresh matters list.
There's an interim order to be.
Interim order subsisting
I
will.
think another 11,000 rupees, whatever. That
ಅದು
also-
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Your Lordship, because the order says specifically that amount, that's the one.
The learned SPP would fairly submit that 11,000 rupees is remaining out of the amount that had to be deposited to the bank, which is in the custody of the police. Therefore, the same shall be returned to the, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 11,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Allah, we'll deposit to the bank.
Sorry. The 11,000 also shall be deposited to the bank in the light of the earlier order.
Please, deeply obliged.
List on 27th, fresh matters. Next.
The objections, if any, they could file. because
Objections,
there's
if any?
already- Yes, my lord, because already there's an order directing them to file.
Objections, if any, by then.
Obliged.
Yes.
91,